Hello applicants, I'll be giving you tips and coverage to pass the neuro exam. But first, disclaimer, this is just based on my personal experience as a passer of the neuropsychiatric exam in PMA and the Philippine Air Force. I hope it will help you in your upcoming exam. It will be a detailed discussion, so stay tuned if you want to learn. Now, the neuropsychiatric examination conducted during the application process is rigorous and comprehensive. This evaluation aims to assess the mental and neurological fitness of applicants for the demands of the military training and service. Typically, the neuro exam is divided into two parts, the written exam and the personal interview. For the first part, which is the written examination, the written exam consists of several components, including the IQ test, sentence completion, temperament test, memory test or picture arrangement, drawing, and the essay. Let us start with the IQ test. This is designed to measure a person's cognitive ability and intellectual potential, covering verbal comprehension, numerical reasoning, general knowledge, working memories, and processing speed. Usually, this is the first part of the exam, composed of 35 to 50 multiple choice questions that you need to answer within 10 to 15 minutes. For sentence completion, in this test, complete sentences from a positive perspective. For example, my greatest fear is blank. My happiest moment was blank. So you need to fill in the blank. For a temperament test, this evaluates personality traits and emotional responses. Answers may be in formats like yes or no, true or false, or a Likert scale ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Consistency in responses is important due to varying questions. For example, in number 1 question, do you like animals? And you answered yes. Then in later part, in number 40, maybe there's question connected to number 1, like do you love hunting? So you need to answer no, since you love the animals in the first question. For a memory test or picture arrangement, this segment may occasionally appear in the exam. Typically, a picture shown for about a minute, followed by a request to describe or reproduce it accurately. In picture arrangement, you need to arrange the picture in a specific sequence. For drawing, you need to create visual representation in paper, which could include free drawing, specific objects like the house, the tree, or the persons to assess. For example, you may be asked to draw a realistic man and woman, ensuring the completeness of the body parts without resorting to anime character or simplistic figure. For essay writing, particularly Who Am I? In this section, write a 300-word reflective essay about yourself, covering your strengths, weaknesses, values, beliefs, significant achievements, challenges overcome, and how this experience shape your goals and motivation. Now for the second part, involves the personal interview with a trained psychologist or psychiatrist. This interview gathers details, informations about psychological and emotional cognitive function, as well as personal history and current circumstances. It may be conducted one-on-one or with multiple applicants simultaneously. Your written exam responses will be a guide for interviews. Always remember, in taking the neuro exam, understand yourself because you are at your best. So save this guide for your reference, revisit it before taking the exam, and share your feedback afterwards. Good luck, applicants!